When comparing Jira Service Management versus Help Scout for help desk software, both platforms offer powerful features tailored for different needs. But which one is best for you? Stick around as we dive into a side-by-side comparison of both, and I'll reveal my top pick at the end of this video. You definitely want to hear what I have to say, because the software you choose could make a huge difference in how your team manages customer support. First, let's start with Jira Service Management. It's a solid option for teams already using Jira for project management or other IT workflows. With Jira Service Management, you get deep integrations with other Atlassian tools, making it a natural fit if you're in the tech or IT space. Its flexibility allows you to customize workflows, but this can also be a double-edged sword. While you can build exactly what you need, the complexity might overwhelm smaller teams or businesses just starting to set up their help desk system. Next thing, let's talk about Help Scout. Unlike Jira, which leans heavily towards tech teams, Help Scout is designed with simplicity in mind. It's very user-friendly and ideal for teams of any size, especially those focused on customer service rather than technical support. It's got a clean interface, powerful ticketing system, and collaborative tools that let your team work together efficiently. The standout feature here is its shared inbox, making it easy to manage conversations and stay organized. However, while Help Scout's simplicity is a strength, it may lack some of the advanced automation and customization that Jira Service Management offers. The third thing to consider is reporting and analytics. Jira Service Management shines in this area, especially for those who need to dive deep into their performance data. You can create detailed reports and track a range of metrics, which is great for IT teams and enterprises looking to optimize their support process. However, it comes with a steep learning curve, so be prepared for some training and setup time. Help Scout, on the other hand, offers solid reporting features, but they're simpler and easier to grasp right away. For smaller businesses or teams that want quick insights without a lot of setup, Help Scout might be more appealing. The fourth thing is scalability. Jira Service Management excels in scalability, making it a strong choice for large organizations or those that anticipate rapid growth. If you need a help desk system that can scale up with your business, Jira's flexible architecture and integration with Atlassian's suite of tools make it a great long-term solution. However, as your needs grow, so will the complexity. On the other hand, Help Scout is more suited for growing companies that don't need to go too deep into advanced configurations. It's easy to set up and manage, but it might not have the same level of depth that Jira offers as you scale. Next up is pricing. While both platforms have tiered pricing, Jira Service Management can get pricey, especially for teams that need the higher tier features. You might find yourself paying for features you don't necessarily need. Help Scout, on the other hand, is more affordable, with its pricing being more predictable and transparent. But again, you might lose out on some of the advanced customization options Jira offers at the higher pricing tiers. Now that we've covered the main differences, let's look at the verdict. Both Jira Service Management and Help Scout are fantastic tools, but they cater to different needs. Jira is excellent for technical teams, especially in the IT space, while Help Scout is perfect for customer service teams that need simplicity and ease of use. However, after testing both, I have to say there's an even better option out there for most businesses, something that combines the best features of both systems without the hassle. If you want a better alternative for your help desk goals, take advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description. This will give you the best trial experience and exclusive benefits only available to my viewers. You won't find a better deal anywhere else.